So are you looking to pass your CAPM exam or PMP exam and become certified in project management? Then this is a place for you. Hey everyone, my name is Alvin, and I'm an engineer turned project manager who graduated from the University of California, San Diego with my degree in engineering. Now, over the years, leading teams and managing projects, I stumbled upon PMI certification in project management. And for myself, most recently, I passed my own CAPM certification in 2020, and I also hope to achieve the new PMP exam by the end of 2021. So on this channel, I'll be sharing with you the exact tips and strategies that I'm using to pass my own CAPM exam and PMP exam, along with free weekly practice questions and my own exam study plan. So to get access to the latest PMP and CAPM exam tips, strategies, along with free weekly practice questions that I post on a daily basis, be sure you hit the subscribe button down below along with that bell icon so you're notified of any future upcoming videos that I post on a future basis. And if you like this video and if you do find this helpful, be sure to share this with a friend. And by the way, your study journey doesn't just end with these videos on YouTube. All of my CAPM exam and PMP exam prep study notes, strategies, and all of my weekly quizzes that I've used to pass my own CAPM exam and which I'm also using to study for my PMP exam can be found for free over at alvinthepm.com. So go on over there and check it out. And while you're there, make sure you grab your free copy of a practice workbook containing more than 100 practice questions covering the critical areas and mathematical formulas that you need to master so you can pass your CAPM and PMP exam on your first try. So thanks so much for checking out today's video. I am really excited and thrilled to help you on your journey to become certified in project management. Until next time, I'll catch you on the next video on Alvin the PM.